Rita the Creator, and today I have an appointment. I'm going to do a 360 lace wig. I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm going to try a few techniques, and we're gonna make this lace look real. We gonna melt it, baby. We melting it. To be real though, I'm very new to this. I'm just gonna say that. I'm very new to installing wigs, and what makes this kind of crazier is that I'm doing this wig for a wedding, so I have to make sure that it is laid and slayed and I get paid, you feel me? So I'm honestly just going to bring you guys along with me while I do this install. I'm gonna take my time, but yeah, I just want to bring y'all with me in case you are a beginner as well. You can see how I do it. You can see how easy it is to actually do it. I feel like it's not rocket science, you know. Just watch a lot of videos, practice on yourself, and then start to practice on people once you feel a little bit more comfortable. I will be real, again, I was kind of scared to do wigs. I haven't done wigs or got into doing wigs for two reasons: because wigs are expensive. Ooh. I started playing with wigs because I got a free wig from Temu. Okay, I hustled for that wig, but I haven't gotten a wig since then, and I really want to start getting into wigs. I want to start, you know, customizing wigs, making wigs, styling wigs, installing wigs. I want to do all of that fun stuff, okay? Because I like to play with color. I need some color in my life. So yeah, I'm taking y'all with me on this 360 lace wig. Just a disclaimer, she has 2 appointments set. She has an appointment at 11 o'clock, which I should check what time it is. All right, so we have 2 appointments. Today is just the application, and then tomorrow we'll be styling the wig. But yeah, anyways, besides all of that, let me go ahead and bring you guys into my morning prep. Let's prep. I'm talking. All right, you guys, so here I have my dirty combs here. So we are going to let that soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, wash it out, and then do another soak with Barbicide. And in the meantime, I'm going to be organizing my station because my station looks crazy. It's a mess, disastrous, and then I have to move the chair from over here to my side.
Universe